boys and girls. This is Wednesday. We're halfway through our week. Today I'm going to do our rest of our circle time. We're going to talk about Mr. I. We have the prove it bag here, so we get to prove some sounds. And then we're going to do a little bit more measuring like you did with Mrs. R yesterday with our story that goes with it today. So let's get started. All right, look at our calendar here. This is our month of April. Can you say April? And this is in Spanish, we say April. April, April. What comes next? We have a new pattern this month. We have a square, square, umbrella, umbrella. Square, square, umbrella. So let's see what number would come next. Or what square would, what shape would come next? Square or an umbrella? That's right, it's an umbrella. The number on our umbrella is the number 8. Can you say 8? 8 gonna go right next to its friend, number 7. Okay, let's clap our pattern. I'm going to point and you're going to clap your hands for the squares and your legs for the umbrella. Ready? Square, square, umbrella, umbrella. Square, square, umbrella, umbrella. Now let's count to the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See if you can figure out what is today. It's right here. Let's figure it out together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, April the 8th, 2020. Let's look over here at our piggy bank. We have our coins in our piggy bank. We have a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. We have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. We have a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. And we have a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. I'm going to pull a coin out of the bag and see if you can tell me what I have. I have you're right, I have a quarter. And a quarter goes right here. Quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And let's look outside your window. Try and look out and see what the weather's like today. We are in the season of spring. So look outside. Is it cloudy? A little rainy? We'll put the clouds up. And it's a little bit cool out. It's not freezing cold like it was this winter, but we're going to put cloudy and cool. Let's look at our shapes. Say them with me. Circle, rhombus, pentagon, oval, square, trapezoid, hexagon, 6 sides. 3 sides, triangle, too long and too short, rectangle, 8 sides, octagon. I'm going to pull a shape from the bag. Ooh, we're going to have to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides is an octagon. Octagon goes right there. Okay, let's look at our colors. We have a brown dog, a purple fish, a green turtle, an orange fox, a red bird, a blue butterfly, a pink flamingo, a white sheep, a gray cat, a black bear, and a yellow chick. I picked you're right, pink flamingo. And I always ask you to say it in a sentence for me. The flamingo is pink. And I'm going to put the flamingo right here where the flamingo goes. All right, now we're going to go to do our Mr. I. He's been waiting very patiently for us to do that. He is here. And today, Mr. I has his Prove It bag. He goes around the room and finds things that begin with his sound. Now remember, Mr. I has two sounds because he's a letter light. Sometimes we say I for inches, and sometimes we say I for Mr. I. So let's see what he put in here. Let's see what you found today, Mr. I. Okay, first off, oh, look what he found. It looks like some of the stuff Mrs. R was using to measure. It is, he says. Look at those. I think those are all your favorites. Those are inches. It looks like these inches stuck together, though, like your shirt, huh? Yes, he says, yes. All right, let's say, can we prove it? Inches, impossible inches. Yes, we can prove it. Okay, I'm going to sing the song, Mr. I. We get to prove it. Ready? I proved it, I proved it. I knew that I could prove it. Impossible inches, inches. That's the way I proved it. Right, inches begin with the first sound of I. You're right, Mr. I. Okay, I'm going to set that down. Let's see what else he put in the bag. What else did you find in the classroom, Mr. I? Let's look. Oh, it looks like an invitation. He found an invitation. It says, come to a birthday party. Oh, how fun. Yes, let's say invitation, Impossible inches. Are and the same first sound? Yes, they are. Oh, Mr. I, invitations are fun to get in the mail. Let's see if we can prove it. I proved it, I proved it. I knew that I could prove it. Impossible inches, invitation. That's the way I proved it. Good. The first sound of I and I. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this makes me think of winter, Mr. I. Does anybody know what this is? Yes, it's an igloo. You can make these out of snow squares, and rectangles. What do you think, Mr. I? Igloo, inches. Are I and I the same first sound? Yes, they are. You're right. Igloo begins with the sound of I. So we can prove it. I proved it. I proved it. I knew that I could prove it. Impossible inches, igloo. That's the way I proved it. All right, so we found some inches, an igloo, an invitation. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, these are my favorites, Mr. I. He found a lollipop. Yum! I love lollipops, and it matches Mr. I's color of red shirt. What do you think? Oh, lollipop, inches. Can we prove it? Is it the same first sound as I? Oh, I. Is that the same first sound? No. We can't sing the song, but lollipops are delicious, aren't they, Mr. I? Yes. I think you have one more bag, Mr. I. You do. I know what this is. This is an insect. It is. You have to use your eyeglass to look at that really close, don't you, Mr. I? Yes. Let's see if we can prove it. Insect, inches. Can we prove it? Yes, we can, can't we? Let's sing. I proved it, I proved it, I knew that I could prove it. Impossible inches, insect, that's the way I proved it. Very good. Yes, let's put that back here, Mr. I. And I'm going to set your bag down. And I'm going to set you down for a minute, Mr. I. And we're going to read that big storybook over there, okay? And you can listen. Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. R did some wonderful things with you. And we have some more we're going to do. They want to know living things are everywhere. And let's talk about things that are alive, that breathe. And let's see what our story says. Living things are everywhere. How many can you find? There's some penguins and some all kinds of animals. There's some boys and girls too. Living things grow. Babies grow into adults. Seeds grow into plants. Which of these will grow? Will a bone grow? Will a puppy grow? Will a ball grow? Will the dog's collar grow? Living things need food. People eat food. And plants make food in their leaves. Which of these things need food? Does a shovel need food? Does a bee need food? Does a caterpillar need food? Does a plant need food? Does your water hose need food? Living things breathe. People breathe through their mouth and their nose. Fish breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through leaf openings in their leaves. Which of these things breathe? Does a dolphin breathe? Does a pail breathe? Does a crab breathe? Does a rock breathe? Living things make more of their own kind. People and animals have babies. Plants make seeds that grow into new plants. Which of these things make more of their own kind? Does a bird have babies? Does a tree have babies and grow new trees? Seeds? Does a beach ball? Does a mom? Living things grow. Living things eat. Living things breathe. And living things make more of their own kind. Which of these are living things? Is an umbrella living? Is a butterfly living? Is a flashlight living? Is a fish living? Is your sandal living? Is the plant living? Is the bird living? Is the piñata living? Is a girl living? Is a turtle living? Find some living things and non-living things. I have some papers here. We're going to do some living and non-living. First, I have a wagon. Is a wagon living or non-living? That's right, it's non-living. I have a girl. Is she living or non-living? That's right, she is living. I have a fish. Is it living or non-living? That's right, it is living. I have a ball and glove. Is it living or non-living? I have a horse. Is it living or non-living? It is living. And I have some blocks. Are they living or non-living? Yes, they are non-living. Now you can go around your house and you can find things that are living and non-living. Like the cat is living. Maybe you have a cat or a dog or a ball that is non-living. And you can set them on top and make your list underneath of living and non-living. Have fun. And then before I end, tomorrow is Thursday. And these are the things you're going to need for Thursday with your Mrs. R lesson. You're going to need your paper and a pencil. You're going to need some items to sort, kind of like we did today. You're going to need some shapes, something with colors. You're going to need living versus non-living, so keep out the stuff you do this afternoon. You're going to need cans versus boxes. Where would you find that? Maybe in the kitchen. Yeah. And you're going to need some different sizes, meaning tall and short and fat and thin and big and small. Thank you. Have a good day.